One of the popular Christmas ornaments is the gnome. So what I've done this week, I'm going to give you some clay gnome ideas, but we're going to look also at how to make gnome boots. So if you want to see how I create these boots, keep on watching. So this week we're going to be making the gnome boots, and these are regular gnomes. You put them on your Christmas tree, but then you can just add some boots onto them and make them look a little bit cuter, okay? And try and make sure that when you're doing them, your gnomes can stand up, but they do go on your Christmas tree. So what you want to do is you want to get your gnomes to this point. If you already have gnomes and they are at this point, if they're not sealed, you made them yourself, you literally can add water to the side, of it, and get it so that it's tacky, and you can add your clay onto it. So what we want to do is you want to make a ball, and you want to add the salt dough on this side here. Okay, you can flatten it. Then you want to take whatever color you want to make your gnome boots. I made mine green just to go with the hat. Gnome boots are easy when you create two balls the exact same size. Once you have your balls the same size, so you squeeze it together, because what you want to do is make the height. And these are just fast boots, nothing. And you can make your boots anyway. I used to have boots that had a little bit of a nose, like it dipped in like that. Okay, you can make your boots pointy. And remember, they're going up like this, so they don't have to be. They just have to look like a boot. And a boot goes in. And yeah. There you go. Can you see that? Put a heel in. You can do like whatever you want. Okay. And then if you want to put shoelaces in, you can just take, all you have to do is, we'll do it in a different color so you can see. All you're going to do is make a spaghetti, and you just go like that and attach it. Okay. Oops. You need water. Attach it, attach it, attach it, okay, attach it, attach it. To be one of the first to watch my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload my posts every Tuesday. This is key. If you're using a dry one, make sure there's plastic or your glass cutting board underneath it, so that when you raise this, it doesn't come apart from the dried section. It has to bake together, and then it will seal. It will be together. Okay, it has to bake together so it doesn't come apart. Then you're going to add some more, and I think actually, sorry, that's two. I think I'm going to put mine here, and then I'm going to put this one here. And there's some cool ideas too. What I did was at the bottom of the other heel that I made, it was a sample. I went and I put it on here and had this kind of engravement on the bottom so it looked like a shoe. Once you're finished that, you need a couple of things. You need the hands, and I just created my hands like this, and then I clipped it. Remember, thumbs go on the same side of each hand, and then you want to squeeze in the pinch in the fingers, and I just put it here. Use some water so that it adheres. Okay, you do the same thing on the other side, and remember, your hands can go anywhere, and the thumb is on this side this time. Oops. Okay, And you're gonna pinch, pinch, and you're gonna put a little bit of water. Okay. Now what you need to do now is you have to add something to connect the hand. So all I did was created a round something flat. I put it together and I added it over the hand so it makes it look like if the hand is coming out. And that's what gives you this portion here. Okay, so you can see that. Now, if you wanted to tag me on your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me, or I do have my Facebook page where you are able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you have some clay gnome ideas and you've learned how to make the gnome boots, you can check out this Christmas video next. If you like this week's video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and share the content with your family and friends. And don't forget to comment down below. I will see you guys next week. Take care and have a wonderful day.